You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -5/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1/2 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -5/3.